Hello, my name is Peter Parfitt. Welcome to the New Brick Workshop. Now this is going to be the shortest video I've ever made. I've got my jet planer here. It's got a helical cutting head. In other words, it's got lots of these little cutting pieces which can be swapped around. I'm just going to show you what I do so that I can keep track of which bits I've used and which have had a ding and I've turned around, etc. So come in close and I'll show you. Now, my cutter head has 4 lines of these little sharp cutters on them, and you can see what they look like. And what I do before I change one is I put, with a permanent felt tip pen, a little mark on it to show which is the facet that's already been used. Now this one here is one where I had a ding a while ago, and so it's got a bit of red going that way, and that's because I've already turned it round once before, probably about 3 months ago. But these here are the old facets which I'm changing, so I'm going to be rotating these, and I always rotate it anti-clockwise. And so what I'm going to do now is to undo this, turn it around, and just for now, as I'm just using a screwdriver, just loosely tighten it back up again, loosen off, lift it, turn it anti-clockwise, and just get it back up again. I'm going to go through the whole line here, and then I'm going to tighten them up using a little bit better spanner. Now you'll find that these should seat properly each time, so there's no fuss. Now note that I'm wearing some protective gloves, because these things are a little bit sharp, and if you're doing this in a hurry, then you could cut yourself. So best to have something to protect your fingertips. Now this is so much cheaper than having, and quicker than having the traditional, the old-fashioned knives going all the way across. And you've got to send them away to be sharpened, and when they come back you've then got to put them back in and adjust them and all that sort of thing. This is so easy. So if you're about to buy yourself a new planing machine, I really do suggest that you get one with a helical cutter head. So that's that process. All those have been turned round, and I'm now going to go through and tighten these up. So there we go. That's this line done. And I really do think that this is the way that everyone ought to be going these days. It's so much quicker and easier. So here's the ratchet handle that I was using. You can position the head in any direction you like, virtually. You can do your clockwise, anti-clockwise ratchet here, and in order to get a bit on the end, you have to press this little button to get it on and off, and that won't come off now until you press that button again. Really nifty neato, and it comes in this set. It's not cheap, and it's got all these extra bits and pieces here, and this is the one I've been using today, one of the Torques there. And this isn't part of it. I've just added this so that I've got then something complete when I go away and needing to tighten something up. But anyway, there it is, and it's brilliant. Anyway, so that's that, and as I said, this is about the shortest video I've ever made. I hope that helps. Permanent felt tip pen, and you're home and dry. Many thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.